Hello everyone, now let us see a gate question. The matrix values are given has one eigenvalue equal to 3. The sum of the other two eigenvalues are what? Look at this matrix. The given matrix has one value 3 and they asked us to find the sum of the other two eigenvalues. Now let us assume lambda 1 comma lambda 2 be two eigenvalues which are unknown. This is just our assumption. We know that trace, that is the sum of the diagonal values will be equal to the sum of the three eigenvalues. Sum of eigenvalues equal to trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix means the sum of diagonals. Sum of the eigenvalues. One eigenvalue is given 3. We have considered the remaining eigenvalue as lambda 1 and lambda 2, which is equal to the trace of the matrix. Sum of the diagonals 1 plus 0 plus p. 1 plus 0 plus p. Keep lambda plus lambda 2 as it is this side and bring 3 this side. P plus 1 minus 3, that is p minus 2. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2, which is equal to p minus 2. This is what we want. The sum of the other two eigenvalues. The other two eigenvalues we have taken lambda 1 comma lambda 2. So its sum is p minus 2. Next, consider this problem. The trace and determinant of 2 cross matrix are known to be minus 2 and minus 35 respectively. Its eigenvalues of. In this problem, they have asked us to find the eigenvalues. They have given the trace is minus 2. Trace, that is sum of diagonals. We can take the diagonals as lambda 1, lambda 2. Sum of this diagonals is minus 2, which is given in the question itself. Next, the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix is minus 35. Determinant means the product of the diagonals. Lambda 1, lambda 2, which is equal to minus 35. In the second equation, lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to minus 35. How can we get 35? That is by multiplying which two numbers we will get 35. 5 into 7 will give you 35. There is a minus sign. We have to give this minus to 5 or 7. Which number we can give the minus? Look into the first equation. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to minus 2. So, if the greater value has the minus sign now, we will get minus 2. So, we are giving minus in this place. So, the lambda values are lambda 1 is equal to 5, lambda 2 is equal to minus 7. These are the eigenvalues. In the 2 cross 2 matrix, you will get only 2 eigenvalues. Hope you have understood. Thank you.